Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I would like to show you my little elves. Tina from Tina's Reborns and More and I are doing a collab today, and we made little Santa's elves with Blythe dolls. Not only a Neo, but also a Midi. Now, I made ears, and I had them all ready to go, and Darren pierced them for me. But you know what? Look, we have the Midi size ready to go. I love their earmuffs. Darren was teasing me and said they look like they're from the 80s, 70s or 80s, and this is their headsets. But I think they're cute. I got to tell you about my bell bottoms here, and yes, they do ring. Can you hear it? I had this fabric somewhere, and I looked for it for what, Darren? Over a week? We went to 2 stores to see if we could find more. This is not just holographic. It's holographic stretch fabric. It stretches in a couple directions. I didn't buy much when I found it, and I used it for swimming suits. I had just enough fabric to make her bell bottoms. She has on little red boots, and I made her little top, and to have it come together like that, I took and put Velcro underneath. She is a supervisor, and the workers gave her these bell-bottom jeans for Christmas one year so they could hear her coming. This little girl, don't their outfits kind of look like clowns or PJs? I thought, oh my goodness. And then I thought, well, everybody needs to be comfortable in their little work uniform and joyful. And what's more joyful than a circus or a clown? This little girl is in stretch fabric. These two are not stretch fabric. This is just holographic. It's almost like fiberglass-ish. I don't know, it's weird. I made, and it was painstakingly, I made this bias tape for my dolls because I wanted that shiny, Christmassy look. And I got to tell you, it took me 40 minutes, and I can't line this back up. It took me probably over 40 minutes to do the piece that went around here. And when it came to hers, I did really well. But when I got to the collar, it kind of went, but it still works. I still like it. But yeah, I had to brag on my little bias tape because you couldn't use a real high iron to do the double fold of it. It is double folded. And I'm very pleased with my girls. Oh, wait, her necklace is turned around. She has a rather cute necklace she's wearing. It's actually what they call a pendant because it got longer than I wanted it to. Let me slide this back up. That gives it counterbalance too. There we go. There's her little necklace I made her. And I'm real proud of my little elves. Oh, I should show you her eyes. Her eyes, I believe, are the same green all the way around. Side glance, front glance. I really like her. Thank you for watching. Please go see Tina's video today also. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to both of us. Thank you for watching, and it is the Christmas season.